What's up, everyone? Welcome to the block party. One of the best things about MEATER Block is that it has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can monitor the cook on your phone beyond the reach of Bluetooth. We know you're excited to get cooking, so let's get your Wi-Fi all set up. First, if you haven't already, take the battery tab out of the back and let the probes charge for at least 8 hours for the initial charge. The probes charge when the block is off. You can also use the micro USB port under the kickstand, but keep in mind it will not charge the AA batteries. If the block is plugged in and has batteries, the micro USB will take precedence and power the block to save your batteries. Now, download the MEATER app and check that all relevant permissions are enabled. Before we get started, make sure your block is within your Wi-Fi network's range. Now, turn the block on. Open the MEATER app, select MEATER Block in the Quick Start Guide and follow the setup instructions. When you're getting connected for the first time, the block will automatically choose Wi-Fi mode, but you'll be able to switch between Wi-Fi mode and standalone modes once you're all set up. When you're picking your network, you might have the option of choosing between 2.4 or 5 GHz depending on your network's configuration. If that's the case, make sure you select 2.4 GHz. Because we're not sending tons of information, we're opting for longer range, which will also be better for getting through obstacles. If you don't see the options, no worries. Likely your router is auto-assigning 2.4 GHz. If you've been through the app setup before, but didn't configure Wi-Fi at the time, you can tap the 3 dots at the top right of the MEATER dashboard. Tap Add Devices, then select MEATER Block under Devices Found Nearby. Tap Configure Wi-Fi, select the same network that your phone is connected to. Enter your password, tap Connect, tap Done, and now you're all set. Make sure you also sign into a MEATER Cloud account. This way you can watch the cook on your phone even outside of your Wi-Fi network's range, as long as it's connected to the internet. If you ever need to switch Wi-Fi networks, first, make sure your phone is on the new network you want to switch to. Now open up the MEATER app and you'll see the block is offline in your dashboard. Turn the block on, tap Settings, scroll to and tap Setup Wi-Fi. Now follow the app instructions to complete the process. When you're cooking, make sure to leave the block close to your cooker so it can stay connected to the probes, but also close enough to your router so you can stay connected over Wi-Fi and MEATER Cloud. If you're only seeing one bar in the MEATER app or on the block screen, you might want to reposition the block or your router to get the most stable connection. Wi-Fi extenders can help boost your signal. If you're still having trouble setting up your block, find us on support.meater.com and we'll get you squared away. For more Prono videos, recipe inspirations, and other tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and find us on meater.com. Happy cooking! We're opting for longer range, which will also be better at getting through obstacles. We're opting for longer range, which will also be better at getting longer. Damn it, I think I need a timeout. No, I don't. Okay, let's do it. Which will also be better at getting through obstacles. Welcome to the block party.